Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us find the area of trapezium. The area of trapezium is given by a half in the bracket a plus b multiplied by h, where a and b are two parallel sides of the trapezium. These are parallel to each other. If this is trapezium A, B, C, D, that means line AB is parallel to line DC. Let us call this point as E. BE is equal to 8. BE, this is equal to the 8. This is equal to 15 centimeter. AB, I'm going to call it as A, and this is equal to 16 centimeter. DC, that is DC, is equal to B. This is equal to 28 centimeter. Our area is equal to a half in the bracket A plus B multiplied by H. Now our area is equal to a half. A is equal to 16 plus B 28. This multiplied by 8, which is equal to 15. Let's first add the number in the bracket. Area is equal to a half. 16 plus 28, it is 44. Multiplied by 44, multiplied by 15. We can simplify here. By 2, it is 1. By 2, we got 22. Our area is equal to 22 multiplied by 15. We get 330. This is centimeter square. I hope you understand. For more questions on areas and perimeters, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.